Here's some Boston Tea Party trivia. Subscribe. What year did the Boston Tea Party occur? Is it A, 1765, B, 1790, C, 1781, or D, 1773? The correct answer is D, 773. Which company's tea was famously destroyed? Is it A, Lipton Tea, B, Tetley Tea, C, Twinings Tea Company, or D, British East India Company? The correct answer is D, British East India Company. What was the primary reason for the protest? Is it A, high tariffs, B, British monarchy, C, taxation without representation, or D, foreign trade policies? The correct answer is C, taxation without representation. How many chests of tea were tossed overboard? Is it A, 200, B, 123, C, 450, or D, 342? The correct answer is D, 342. Which American city hosted the event? Is it A, New York, B, Chicago, C, Boston, or D, Los Angeles? The correct answer is C, Boston. What was the name of the harbor involved? Is it A, New York Harbor, B, Boston Harbor, C, Charleston Harbor, or D, San Francisco Bay? The correct answer is B, Boston Harbor. What colonial act did the Tea Party protest? Is it A, Sugar Act, B, Stamp Act, C, Tea Act, or D, Intolerable Acts? The correct answer is C, Tea Act. Which group organized the protest event? Is it A, Loyalist Society, B, Continental Congress, C, Daughters of Revolution, or D, Sons of Liberty? The correct answer is D, Sons of Liberty. Who was a prominent leader of the Sons of Liberty? Is it A, Benjamin Franklin, B, Samuel Adams, C, Thomas Jefferson, or D, George Washington? The correct answer is B, Samuel Adams. What significant historical period followed the event? Is it A, World War I, B, Industrial Era, C, American Revolution, or D, Civil War? The correct answer is C, American Revolution. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.